What is up, ladies and gentlemen? So CPU mining has been doing pretty good lately, and I had a couple people reach out to me and they're like, even on my Intel chips it's making some pretty good profits. So right now I am on my laptop. It is a 10750 let's see here, yeah, 10750H low power chip, and it's doing about it's bouncing off of 2000 hashes, 1.7, because I'm starting to like wiggle the mouse and stuff. It drops down really fast, but about 34 cents right now. It's 32 cents because I'm actually using the computer. This thing drops down fast. This is a 6-core, nothing special CPU, and it's making 30 cents a day. For reference, the i7-10750 power usage or power consumption, it's got a power limit of 45 watts. So that's the max it can use. If we break out our calculator here, 45 times 24 divided by 1,000, it's like right at 1 kilowatt a day, times we're a little over, almost 12 cents. We're a little over 11 cents a day. So we'll just say 12 cents. So it's burning almost 13 cents a day. And with all this stuff open, I was looking at all kinds of stuff. It is still profiting, 20 something cents a day. Now, does this mean you need to run out and go buy you a bunch of laptops to mine with? Absolutely not. But if you have some desktops, which I have some Xeons, I have some AMDs, it might not be a bad idea to just flip them on and actually like see them running. So if you go to the NiceHash profitability calculator, and a lot of people are like, oh my God, don't use NiceHash. But you know what? Sometimes we just want the Bitcoin. We don't want to deal with the altcoins. If we go to device here, enter manually, and we type in, like, I have some 5900Xs that I had brought to the computer store, but hadn't had a whole lot of people hitting on them for the money. Those bad boys are doing $2.50 a day mining Monero. I have 2 of those. I'm gonna turn those on. That's $5 a day. So yeah, I gotta clean up the office and make me a little spot for those 2 machines. That's crazy. That's really good money. $30 a month on one of them. That's $60 a month for 2 of them, and the power usage on those was about 25 cents a day. I don't know where they get these numbers at, but I'll check those and double check those when I get them back in. Now, as for some like cheaper stuff, like for example, if you have like a 5700X or just 5700G, very, very popular CPU, that bad boy's doing 37 cents a day. Okay, so it's 49 cents before power, so 50 cents a day. That one's definitely not as profitable. 5800X, I think I had one of those. I had a 3800X, that's my bad. $1.74 a day, $1.99 before power. So certain CPUs are just chewing this up. What about 5800X 3D? Those do pretty good. Oh my, $3.50 a day, $3.31 a day before power. CPU mining. There's a lot of FOMO right now. My best advice, hold on, let me flip this around. So my best advice is don't run out and go buy a bunch of CPUs, because this is not gonna last. It doesn't last. It never has. It goes up and it goes down. All I'm telling you is right now it's pretty good. It's pretty up. So take those profits, put those CPUs on mining. As for reliability, I know you may not have been a CPU miner in the past, or you haven't mined with like your main system. The big thing is you just need to make sure your temperatures are in check. Intel chips, especially some of the newer ones, those bad boys get pretty hot. AMD chips do as well. So there's lots of different monitoring software that you can use. I think actually NiceHash has built-in temperature monitoring. Maybe they did. Yeah, temperature and load. But you can also open up like HW. I think I have HW info 64 on here. Yeah, let's see what HW. I like HW info. Runs sensors only. Alrighty, and let's see what our CPU's at. Where are we at here? CPU core temperature, CPU package, core max. So right now my max on everything is about 67 or 68 degrees Celsius. 67 degrees Celsius. So she's running, in my opinion, cool. I have no problem running my chips up into the 70 range. I don't really like running them into the 80s. I've seen where, especially laptops, they'll jump up into the 90s. But if you want to know like what the safe limit, or sorry, what you should be under, you can look up like your, for example, 10750 CPU throttling, or what's it throttle at, and the 10750 throttling point. It throttles at 91 degrees Celsius apparently. So I definitely want to be under 90 degrees Celsius. I don't really even like them to be in 80 degrees Celsius, even though, I mean, it's hard to kill an Intel chip. It's even hard to kill an AMD chip, but cool is your friend. Cool is smooth, smooth is fast, fast is money. So anyway, keeping it short and sweet. I hope y'all are having a good one. I'm gonna sign off here. Big shout out to all the Black Friday guys that are coming through. The web store is getting absolutely all kinds of love. I know the NVMe drive sold out like instantly. Added some other things, like some people were asking about the RAM holders, SSD holders, the little the GPU displays, that kind of stuff. Still have some more shirts, pre-orders before those get in. So Black Friday deal, 20%. I'm gonna let it go until, I guess, midnight tonight. Code is Black Friday, and you just enter it in at the checkout. So guys, thank y'all. Peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.